So is the Techbuds Trading HQ free? Yes, we're happy to announce that our Techbuds Trading HQ is going to be free, exclusive to our Learn Plan Profit members. If you're not a Learn Plan Profit member, and if you ever find yourself in Chandler, Arizona, and you want to tour the facility, I'd be more than happy to. You can actually click the first link down below and sign up for a free tour. With that being said, when are we open? We're open from 9:30 in the morning to 5 p.m. This is only Monday through Friday, so again, we'd love to have you visit. Now, what is the Techbuds Trading HQ? It's a total of 15 offices, 7,000 square feet. We have co-working areas, we have conference rooms, and we have specialty trading rooms that are exclusive for our Learn Plan Profit members. Now, here's a couple things that you should know. Are there any specific rules for the Techbuds HQ? Not necessarily, but when it comes down to just the general rule is respect the team, respect the space, and respect one another. Pretty simple. So when it comes down to visiting the Techbuds HQ, who do you speak to? So we will have Justin here that will give you most likely a tour of the facility, and if not Justin, then one of our team members. Can I buy apparel there? Yes, our Techbuds apparel is actually located here at the HQ, so you can tour the entire facility, get a taste of what it is that we offer, and get a feel of the different products that we offer from Techbuds apparel. Will I be able to have one-on-one sessions with Ricky? So maybe, right? If I'm here and I don't have specific work that I have to get done, I love being in that common co-working area, but if I have work that I have to get done, then most likely not. This is not a space where I want people on my window while I'm filming videos and or getting work done. It's a co-working space, not only for yourself, but for me as well. So we need to make sure that it's productive for both parties. This is one that our team added is, can I follow Ricky and the team around all day and annoy them? Well, of course not, at least not me, right? You can annoy them all day, totally kidding. But again, please make sure that you take responsibility in taking care of yourself and your actions. When you're here, it's to get work done. We want it to simply be a productive workspace for everyone here. So make sure that you take note of that when you choose to visit us at the Techbuds Trading HQ. One thing that we do want to make super clear is that, are you allowed to bring pets to the Techbuds HQ? The simple answer is no. We do not allow any pets here at the Techbuds Trading HQ, so please respect that. The thing that I'm most excited about is for you guys to be able to experience what it's like to trade alongside one another. Not only is it great that we were able to connect on the internet, but now for the first time ever, we're able to actually come together at a physical location and trade and work alongside one another. And again, if you would ever like to tour the facility and visit us here at the Techbuds HQ, the first link down in the description will assist you with that. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I'm excited to meet you all. Hope that earned a thumbs up. And of course, please consider subscribing. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.